Alright guys, let's get into this last big box real quick. See what we got in here. Oh, we got some little stickers. Nice little flight chart, okay. Definitely got a nice little Gateway banner. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Put that out there. And then another big stack of discs. I think these might be the X out, not sure. Let's check them out.